In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva AI Background Generator to change background instantly. We're going to walk through how you can take any photo in Canva and completely transform its background in just a few clicks using Canva's magic background feature. This is perfect if you want to make your photos look more professional, match a specific theme, or quickly create different versions of the same image for social media, presentations, or marketing. First, open your design in Canva and make sure the photo you want to edit is already on your canvas. It can be a picture you uploaded yourself or one of Canva's stock images. Once your design is open, click directly on the photo. You should see a border appear around it, along with an options bar either above the image or at the top of the screen. This tells you that the image is selected and ready to be edited. With the photo selected, look for the option that says Magic BG or Magic Background. This is Canva's AI Background Generator tool. It's usually visible in the toolbar that appears when the image is highlighted. Go ahead and click on Magic BG. When you do this, Canva will open a side panel or a pop-up where you can describe the new background you want. Now comes the fun part. In the text box that appears, type a clear description of the background you'd like. For example, you could type modern office with large windows, beach at sunset, or minimalist pastel background. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. Think about mood, location, colors, and style. Once you've typed your description, click on the Generate button. Canva's AI will take a moment to process your request and then show you one or more background options based on what you wrote. You'll see your original subject kept in place, but the background replaced with the new AI-generated scene. If you like what you see, you can keep that version as is. If it's not quite right, you can adjust your text prompt to be more detailed, or simply hit Generate again to try another variation. When you're happy with the result, you can resize or reposition the photo, add text and other elements, and then download or share your design.